Hi guys, today we're going to make meat sauce for our pasta. So we're going to use extra virgin olive oil. We're going to get that heating up in a pan. And I just ran out. So we're going to have that on medium-high heat. We're going to wait for that to shimmer, like we've talked about before. We are going to use yellow onion, garlic, bay leaves, tomatoes, salt and pepper, oregano and basil, tomato sauce, and get all that firing up together to make a nice sauce. We're also going to use 1.24 pounds of lean ground beef, 93% lean, 7% fat. You want some fat content in there because that's going to help flavor the meat. Remember, we move our pan. That's how we know if it's getting ready to go or not. Set this out of the way. Don't mind me, I'm just chilling in my pajamas. Alright, so our pan is starting to get nice and hot. Remember, we don't want it to start smoking. If we get it to start smoking, then it has gotten to be too hot. We don't want that. So we are going to add our onions. Hear that sizzle? Really nice little toss. We are also going to add our garlic. It's about 4 tablespoons. I like a lot of garlic in my sauce, so that's where we're going to go from there. Let that cook for a second so you can bring out some of the flavors of the garlic, the aromatics. Get it nice and translucent onions so you bring out all those flavors so it works well in our sauce. Next, we're going to add our ground beef. Just kind of break it up in there. And we're going to let that cook. Okay, we're going to make sure we get it nice and tossed, and we're going to let that cook for a moment. Now that our beef is almost done, we're going for browning. We're going to have to go and drain it. Got a nice brown on there. Don't want to spill any. I'm making a mess. Alright, so I'm going to go drain this now. that's draining, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our tomatoes to the pan. We're going to let them start to blister, bring out some of the flavor. It's going to be good. Sorry, I keep rubbing my nose. Beard tickles my nose every now and then. This is a restaurant setting. I'd have gloves on and I wouldn't be touching my face at all. I'd have a beard net on, the whole shebang. But I'm at home, as you can see. I'm in my pajamas, so who cares? Alright, as those start to cook, add in our basil, our oregano, and a lot of people will add red pepper flake. I am going to add about a 1/4 cup of chopped up pepperoncini peppers. Let all that start cooking. Get beef and onions, garlic, add that back to the pan. Turn that heat up, get it nice and hot. We are then going to add our tomato sauce. Salt and pepper, and 2 bay leaves. We're gonna mix this all up. Now, you can serve it just like it is. The better flavor you're going to get out of it is to let it simmer. So we've got this all nice and hot. Once we get a nice little boil going on to the edges, we're going to turn this heat down. Once this heat turns down, then we'll be able to let it simmer. It'll simmer for about 25-30 minutes. Really brings out that flavor, the bay leaves and all the other ingredients that are in there. So I turned it down to about 4 on my gas stove. And remember to taste. Always taste. That's some good sauce. Alright, so now we've let our sauce simmer. We've got nice flavors coming out of it. I've tasted it a bunch. It's really good. You want to make sure you remove the bay leaves. You don't want to get anybody sick. The trick is finding them. Bam! Got lucky. Alright, so got all that situated. And we're going to take our pasta, which you got right here. We're going to add our sauce to our pasta. And let's see if I can get a picture of it. And there you have it. Some gorgeous pasta for you to enjoy. Now you can take that, you could add Parmesan cheese, some fresh basil on top, a little something extra, make it look a little pretty. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, please comment. Let me know what you think about the recipe, and like and subscribe. Have a good day.